Scarlett's supposed to be napping, but the rain is pouring down so loud. I heard her in her room going, "Oh no, what happened?"
Oh, the rain.
The rain, yeah. You go night-night? She's like, "It's drowning out my sounds of nature. The nature is drowning out my sounds of nature." It's gonna be hard to sleep, huh? That is crazy, huh, baby? It's okay. It's just rain. It's crazy rain, but it's just rain. You could just lay in bed and listen to the rain. Maybe it'll help you fall asleep instead of having to use your soother. Uh-oh. I don't think nap time's gonna work so well. Oh, is it all done? Is the rain all done, honey? Can you tell Mommy night-night? You tell me night-night?
I love you.
I love you.